Hi everyone! After I colored several pictures in Selina Fenech fairy tale book, I realized that I definitely want to add her other books to my collection. And my first purchase is this GOTHIC Minis. I love covers of Selina books. Beautiful image on the front cover, and also they are very pleasant to touch. The only thing which I am not very fond of course, is quality of the paper, but after 3 finished pictures, I am more than get used to it. So in this mini book, we have pictures from Gothic and Night Magic books, and I really appreciate that in this small book I have 50 unique pictures, not her usual 25 by 2 sets. Paper here is absolutely the same as in my fairy tale coloring books, where I already tested Prismacolors, polychromoses, Derwent color softs, and even Neocolor crayons. And now I am quite confident that I will be able to color with almost all my materials, apart from watercolors. And here, with much smaller size of the pictures, it's quite possible to color everything only with pencils. And especially because almost all pictures by Selina have a very detailed background, so even if pencil background isn't my favorite thing to do, here with this small size it will be quite a quick work. I realize that I really appreciate that due to the small size of pictures, it will be quick and easy projects. Sometimes it's nice to sit to start coloring, and in 2 hours I can have already finished projects. Sometimes when I work too long for several days on the same picture, I really get tired and I want to switch to something new. So this small pictures is a very good idea, and I wish other artists also would think about publishing such pocket-sized coloring books. And as I said, it's nice to have 50 unique pictures. I know that in this series also there is a mini book of adorables, but I'm not very fond of style of pictures there. They are less realistic. Also, there is a book with grayscale pictures by Selina and magical minis with fairies. For me, this Gothic book is the most interesting and most inspiring. It's a pity that it didn't arrive in time to Halloween because it has a very nice selection of Halloween pictures with pumpkins, witches, but anyway, I can color them next year and the rest of the pictures are also amazing. I really love how Selina draw faces, and due to the small size of peoples of figures and faces, I think that even a beginner could try coloring them, and to color smaller faces is not as frightening as color huge big portraits. The only problem I have with this book so far is that it's not very comfortable to lay it flat on the table, especially for filming videos. But I hope that big paper clips will help me, especially because binding is quite good, so I am not afraid to use paper clips to lay it flat. It will be my book for quick coloring projects, and I am really happy that I added this cute mini book to my coloring book collection. Thanks for watching, and don't miss my review about another book by Selina Fenech which I decided to purchase. Thanks for watching.